Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, by the end of this video, you're going to have a complete understanding of how to leverage Perplexity AI in your workflow. We'll cover its unique features, compare it with other popular AI tools, and give you expert tips to maximize your productivity with it. Let's dive in. First things first, what is Perplexity AI? Think of it as a cross between a chatbot and a search engine. While tools like ChatGPT or Anthropic focus on conversation abilities, Perplexity AI emphasizes its search capabilities. It's designed to deliver concise, well-referenced answers from multiple sources, saving you time and effort. It comes with both free and paid versions. The free version is great for general searches, while the paid version gives you access to advanced models, like GPT-4 or Gemini Pro, for more detailed responses. In this video we'll talk about both so you can decide which suits your needs. One of the standout features of Perplexity AI is focus. You can tailor your query based on content. Whether you're looking for YouTube ideas, academic references, or even solving math problems, this feature lets you laser in on your search, making the platform far more efficient than generic search engines. Let's try an example. How are volcanoes formed? Perplexity AI will instantly give you answers from multiple sources and list the references. If you click on the sources, you can go straight to original articles. A really cool feature for researchers is spaces. Let's say you're working on a volcano report. You can add all your items into a space, organize them, and even set preferences for how the responses should be formatted, like bullet points. You can also switch between AI models like GPT-4, Gemini Pro, or Claude 2.1. If you need more complex answers, just change the model in the settings. Use GPT for detailed research or advanced inquiries, and Claude for faster, simpler tasks. Worried about data privacy? You can turn off data training within the settings. This is especially useful if you're using this tool for sensitive information. Now, while Perplexity AI is amazing, it has some limitations. For example, it can struggle to find the specific results. This happens occasionally with more niche searches. In such cases, it's better to manually verify the sources. Finally, the Discover tab also pulls trending news, similar to a news aggregator. You can stay up to date on recent topics.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.